Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Play Store not downloading apps. First way to check is your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Try toggling airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off again to refresh your connection. Secondly, clear Google Play cache and data. Just long press on the Play Store app and open its app info. Tap Storage and Cache, then select Clear Cache, then Clear Storage or Clear Data. This will refresh the Play Store app and often resolves download errors instantly. Thirdly, you can clear Google Play Services cache, because since Google Play Services manage core functions for Play Store and other Google apps, clearing its cache can solve hidden issues. Just go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, then App Info. Find the Google Play Services app in the list and then tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache and then Clear All Data. And after completing these steps, reopen the Play Store and try downloading or updating apps again. Your Play Store should now work normally. If not, consider restarting your device or checking for Android system updates. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.